one line.
क्या क्या वर्ड क्या होता है उसका? कौन सी कॉफी बोलते हैं उसको?
You have seen them on your feeds. You have seen the gully aesthetics redefining the Indian sneakers. But how did the homegrown brand build this much of hype? Today, we are diving into Gully Labs.
We are Mercadio, the marketing society of CVS, and we are ditching the classroom. We came directly to the source to understand the marketing brilliance behind the drops. So now we are with Nameer to get some insights and thoughts behind creating this desi and pop culture inspired brand. So, Nameer, my very first question is, considering the price segment, गली लैब्स ऐसा क्या ऑफर करता है कि वो अपने कंपेटिटर से आउटग्रो करता है? कस्टमर्स को ऐसा क्या ऑफर करता है वो?
Competitors like?
प्यूमा और स्केचेस.
Okay, so I mean, yes, they exist in the same price bracket as you say, but if you think about where they come from, they were designed to be performance sneakers. We come from a place where we want to be for the people who care for design. We are a very design-centric brand. So what we are offering is something different, something that is inspired by the Indian culture, as you suggested. And yes, it is for the design-centric people.
ओके. एंड वन थिंग आई नोटिस इज सबको, एंड नीचे भी जो मैंने नोटिस करा शूज के नेम आंधी, हंटर, कुल्फी, बर्फी. तो इन क्रिएटिव नेम के पीछे क्या कुछ आइडियाज हैं?
The names are definitely creative, but Sabco is not ours. Sabco is actually in itself. क्या क्या वर्ड क्या होता है उसका? कौन सी कॉफी बोलते हैं उसको? Specialty coffee. Sabco is a specialty coffee brand, which is, I think, once again Indian inspired. What we have is Sabco has collaborated with Gully Labs to make a cafe store on our floor. This exists as an independent brand in itself, but once again, it has great design language. Something that we also have, and also you have great names. All these names are inspired by stories. Like Hunter is a collaboration with Royal Enfield.
Okay. 50/50 bike. Okay.
It is a collaboration with that. There's a shoe called Nadu, inspired by the Onam festival.
Yes.
There's a shoe Manikred, inspired by the Durga Puja and the Bengali festival. There's also a shoe called Kulfi, because it's
Yes.
like a tribute to it's like a tribute to the Kulfi, the staple of the summer season. Even the colors of the shoe are very much the colors of the
Yeah, these are
most popular
similar
flavors.
to kulfi.
Yeah, we have pista color because there's very famous Kulfi,
Yes.
pista color, the staple of the Kulfi segment. So yes, they tell very rooted Indian stories, and thus the names also carry a very Devanagari or Indian feel to this. Yes.
तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि लाइक आपके पास सिर्फ कस्टमर्स नहीं है, एक कम्युनिटी है. आप इंस्टा पे पोस्ट करते हो, रीपोस्ट वगैरह सब कुछ. तो लाइक आप एक ऐसा कौन सी स्पेसिफिक एक्टिविटी करते हो कि जिससे आपके लिए जो कस्टमर्स है उनको लॉयल्टी थोड़ी फील हो और लाइक हाईएस्ट रेट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट मिले?
भाई इतने सारे तो इधर पे बात कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
Okay, so our content in one word is to build a community.
ऑलराइट.
We are not chasing views as such. What we are chasing is a certain message. We want people of Gully Labs, people who wear Gully Labs, to feel that they are part of a community of people who sort of stand for something. Because Gully Labs as a brand stands for something. And yeah, we want to share the feeling with the people who wear our shoes, who buy our shoes, who come to us as customers, who come to us as just visitors to our store. Yes, we have a story to tell, and we want them to resonate with our store. The content also in itself tells a story. Our campaigns are targeted towards.
ओके. और ऑल्सो लाइक आप अपने जो भी ब्रांड्स के लिए जो भी शूट करते हो, आप कोई बॉलीवुड स्टार को हायर नहीं करा आपने, लाइक लोकल फुटबॉलर?
Yeah, there's a very good reason for that. It's Gully Labs. We want to stick to the roots of India, and we want to stay rooted. So why would we go chasing someone? We really belong where we belong, and we want to grow from that place. Yeah.
Okay, it's my personal question because I'm interested in football. So like you collaborated with Nivea, all right?
We did collaborate.
Nivea like बहुत affordable price range में provide करते हैं अपने studs and all.
Yes.
But आपका जो Gully Labs है वो काफी premium price range में.
So why Nivea?
हाँ.
Yes. So, well, I mean, at Gully Labs we believe that not everything is about price. Why you picked Nivea was rather straightforward for us, because it's an Indians. That's it. We wanted to collab with an Indian brand because we want to promote things that are Indian in origin, Indian in their nature.
So Shark Tank recently were featured in Shark Tank और बहुत सारे sharks ने आपको ऑफर भी दिए थे. तो you basically went for Aman Gupta, and what was the reason?
I mean, Aman had been a fan of the brand for very long. He had come to our store, and he was pretty much interested in what we were doing, and we thought that yes, he had the energy, the mentorship, and the love that we needed for the brand. and he had it all. So we picked Aman for that.
Okay, so now let's move towards the most interesting part. Now we will start a fun rapid fire questions. Okay, so first question, Gully Labs as a Bollywood actor.
Ranveer Singh, pre-Dhurandhar Ranveer Singh, I would say.
Yeah, that fits. Okay, second, your dream collaboration.
Well, I think I don't know what the consensus within the company is on that, but if I had it, if you ask me, probably Peter Cat Recording Company.
Makes
that would be something
sense.
interesting. Yeah.
Okay, so now last question, roast your brand in one line.
I respectfully disagree to answer that question. Yeah, if I speak, I'll be in big trouble. Yeah.
Okay, definitely makes sense.
Two from the shelf you would have for yourself. You just pick one as quickly as you can. Each one of you starting from.
Okay, that one. This one.
Why?
Yeah. Because I think I like very basic shit when it is basic.
Okay, so you're telling us that Gully Labs have made a basic shoe.
No. It's basic, but it's speaking, it's different but basic.
It also has stories to it.
Yeah.
It's inspired by the Bengali culture. We released this shoe on the Lal Durga Puja. These marks that it carries are symbolic of the flowers that are part of the procession of the Durga Puja.
Yeah.
That one. I love the color combination, and it matches the album of Taylor Swift, The Life of a Showgirl.
Okay. So you have your own deal.
Exactly same color.
Yeah, maybe Indian culture and American culture beat something. Yeah. Nadu.
Yes.
It has a story. Can you guess?
I really like the banana boat design.
You guessed it. Yeah, it is the banana boat.
I'm talking about it.
Yeah.
Okay, ये personally can't.
Yeah, we really took care of that detail and we also named it. Might seem on the nose for some, might not. Nadu. Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Onam.
So as we have come to the end of the video, so it's like the Malayali tradition. When any of the event is done successfully, so we just shout out loud our tagline, or we just say "Go my land." So you have to do that one to your tagline.
I would shout tagline. I would tell you the tagline. The
Okay.
tagline goes representing the Indian dream. I mean, you guys shout. No, you guys shout out.
Let's
Wait, one more time. 3, 2, 1, go!
You just have to say go my cat. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go!